By the end of this video, you will know how to view your estimated refund in TurboTax. Start by signing in to your TurboTax account and opening the tax return you want to review. Once the return is on screen, look along the top of the page for the option labeled Explain My Taxes. Select that option to open the tax summary tools connected to your return. After you click it, a panel opens on the right-hand side of the screen. This panel is called See How Your Numbers Are Adding Up. It gives you a running view of the figures TurboTax is using while your return is in progress. If the panel does not stand out right away, look to the right side of the workspace and give it a moment to appear. Inside that panel, you will see your refund amount. This number updates automatically as you move through your return and add information. It reflects the information already entered, so what you see at this stage is an estimate based on the return in its current form. If you want more detail about how that amount is being calculated, use the sections in the same panel labeled Taxes You Have Paid or Your Taxes. Expand either section to view a more detailed breakdown. This is where TurboTax shows how the estimated refund is being built from the tax information in your return. Depending on what has already been entered, the breakdown can reflect tax payments, withholding, and the taxes calculated from your reported details. As you review the numbers, keep in mind that the estimated refund is not fixed while the return is still being completed. TurboTax recalculates it as your information changes. That means the amount can move up or down when you enter income, deductions, credits, or other tax details. If you are checking the refund amount before the return is fully complete, treat it as a current estimate rather than a final result. To keep tracking the update, continue entering or revising your tax information in the return. As each change is added, return your attention to the panel on the right and watch the estimated refund recalculate in real time. This gives you a direct way to see how each part of the return affects the number shown in your refund amount. If you are reviewing several sections of your return, it can help to reopen the Explain My Taxes view whenever needed so the panel stays visible while you work. The main thing to watch is that you are looking at the current return and not an older file or a different tax year, since the refund estimate shown will only match the return that is open on screen. You have now viewed your estimated refund in TurboTax and checked the breakdown used to calculate it.